ó ń rúgbó bọ̀ o eléyìí mà tún ga o ṣé ẹ ti gbóhun tí Lizzy Anjorin tún sọ nípa LAIDE BAKARE ẹ gbóhun tó sọ.
Few months ago, that one was crying up and down that she wanted to do housewarming, that she invited all of them and they turned her down. IYABO OJO, when she was doing housewarming, where were you? When they gave her appointment letter at Osun State, do you know what you did to her under this lover? It does not concern me. Oh, I'm not here to defend anybody. I'm a very focused woman, very hardworking. Someone like me. She need to gather the whole world because of Lizzy Anjorin. She wants to pepper Lizzy. They don't go borrow money. They say they go borrow money, both naira and hard currency. So they will sign, they will borrow the money so that they can spray her. Oh, Yabo, ibi lo ti ma mo wípé one with God is powerful than majority with nobody. Ah. Ilé dùn jù. Ìyẹn sunkún recently o. Òun ṣe housewarming. Òun ò réèyàn kankan. Wà ó ti réèyàn. Èèyàn lórí lójú Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ló ti fẹ́ réèyàn. Ẹ lọ máa parí ìjà gbogbo yín. Ṣá má dọ́dọ̀ tèmi.
Kí lẹ rí sọ̀rọ̀ tí Lizzy Anjorin sọ?